Hey you guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nia Glenn. If you're new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button down below for me. Do not forget to like this video and also leave a comment down below. As you guys could see in the title down below, today I'll be doing an Aliexpress haul. It's not a huge haul, it's a mini haul because I wanted to test out the quality from Aliexpress. I wanted to test out the products quality from Aliexpress. I wanted to see how long shipping took. So I went ahead and I got some few items. So yeah, so if you want to see these items, just make sure to keep on watching. Everything will be listed down below in the description box. Make sure to check that out because I'll also leave the links down below and also my measurement. So without any further ado, you guys, let me just go ahead and get into this video. Stay tuned. That I got, the first item that I got, I'll show you guys the bags first, then I'll show you guys the clothes. I don't have a lot of items. I have about 7 or 8 items. So these are like those little mini bags that I got from AliExpress. So I'll go ahead and show you these little mini bags. You know, you guys know I'm in love with those little mini bags. And if you haven't watched my purse collection haul, I'll go ahead and link it somewhere above here, so you could go ahead and watch that after you're done watching this video. But I am so in love with mini purses and mini bags. So yeah, so this is the first one. This is the first one right here, and this is like a forest green color, and it is such a cute fall color. Like, this is so cute, and I'm like, I don't have this color. And those bags really remind me of like the Jacquemus. I don't know how you say his name, but they really remind me of like his bag. And this bag only cost me about $9.50, you guys. $9.50. And I think the Jacquemus bag costs about like $500. So it's definitely an investment. Like, I'm glad I got this little purse right here. It is so cute. Let me just go in and show you guys the inside of it. I mean, it ain't much space, but who's carrying little mini bags to have space? I feel like this is just an accessory to me, you know, to accessorize my outfit. So yeah, this is really, really cute. The second color that I got is like a nudish color, and this is how this one looks like. And when I say, you guys, these qualities are amazing. Like, the quality in these bags exceeded my expectation, because these bags, from the handle, for the price, these bags are really, it's a really great quality. $9.50. And I'm talking about there's no thread hanging out, nothing. Like, this bag is such a cute nudish bag. Like, it's so cute, and I love the design. I didn't mention that with the other bag. It's the same design, they're just different colors. I love the croc design, and yeah, like, oh, and it also came with like a handle, but I removed it from the other one. So this is the handle right here. This is the handle in this little bag. I've seen people wear it around their waist, and I think I'm gonna do that. But yeah, this is a really cute little bag. So definitely 10 out of 10. Quality is definitely 10 out of 10. The only downside is waiting for a long time to get your items, but these bags are definitely really, really cute. Definitely top-notch quality. And the last one, the last bag that I have, it's like a mustard color. I don't know if it's showing up on camera. I'm seeing it on camera. It's like it's not showing up the mustard color, but this is like a yellow-ish mustard. I don't know. Maybe I was like, all these colors that I got remind me of fall colors. I don't know. I was just preparing for the fall, because I got these in July, and like, I guess I was like just buying bags just a base of what I didn't have. But this bag is so cute. So cute. The color is real needed. Like, so cute. It's a pop of color. You could pair this with like something black or all white, and you definitely pair it with this bag, and it would definitely add a pop of color. I think I purchased this bag to wear with like a heels that I have, and I don't know, but yeah, this bag is definitely really cute. So now that I'm done with like the bags, now I'm moving on to the clothes. I think I got about 6 or 7 clothes. I don't really know, you guys. It's a mini haul, you know. I just wanted to show you guys what I got from AliExpress. So it comes in this little zippy bag, you know, similar to Shein. And the first item, this one is like a jumpsuit. Those like the little those jumpsuit, they like really all over Instagram. Like, it's like I can't even show it to you guys. The little lucky label, So this is how it's looking like. It's really stretchy. First of all, it's really stretchy. The material, it's really good. It seemed real good for the price. And you also have like the sleeve where you could put your thumb in it. I don't know, I'm gonna show it to you guys right here. And it's also like a zip down. So this is how it's looking like. I know you guys can see the full length of it, but yeah. So I'm glad that I picked this out. I could definitely wear this because I have a trip coming up in December, and I could definitely pack these in my bags and, you know, save these outfits so I could wear on my trip. So this is really cute. The quality is really nice. Yeah, like, I mean, quality, I would say the quality is definitely a 10. The only thing is they have other colors. I think they had a white one, and I wanted to get the white one, but a lot of people were saying like it's kind of see-through. The black one is not so much see-through, but if you are getting this, I would say, you know, wear black panties. But if you are getting the white one, just know that the white one is very see-through. So just in case, you know, you wanted to get the white one instead of the black one, so you know before it comes. Okay, so the next outfit that I have is another jumpsuit as well. Let me just go ahead and show it to you guys. It's another black jumpsuit, but except that this one is like, it doesn't have like a full sleeve. Why is this not opening? So I think I already have this jumpsuit in gray. I got this one from Shein, but I definitely like this quality better than the one that I got from Shein. So this is how this one looks like. Right here. Again, this one is very stretchy. The only thing I don't like about this is the fact that it's see-through. So I didn't expect it to be see-through, but it is see-through. But again, it's really stretchy. The material is really good for the price. Yeah, it's really cute, and it fit me better than the other one that I got from Shein, and I got them in the exact same size. So which is weird, and they both have different materials. So but I definitely like this material better. It's definitely, they both stretchy, but I like this form of material better. And yeah, this is really cute. I could definitely put this in also in my suitcase to go to my trip in December. So this is definitely what I'm definitely gonna take this one with me as well. So the next outfit that I have is this dress. I don't think I have any more bodies. I don't think I have any more jumpsuit. Oh my gosh, I keep closing it. So this dress right here, this dress is so cute. And my only regret was not getting more colors, because I believe this dress was about like $8 or $9. So my regret was not getting more colors, because yeah, that's my only regret. Okay, and this is how it looks like. It's like a orange, like burnt orange dress. Like this dress is like definitely like a showstopper, because people will see you from a mile away, because it's kind of like, it's very stretchy, and it's really long. Like maybe because I'm short, I'm 5'2", but it goes all the way down past my knees. It's really cute. V-cut right here, that's really cute. I like that, and the color is really nice. The color looks very appealing on my, you know, my skin tone, so that's why I definitely picked this one out. When I am buying more clothes from Aliexpress, I'll definitely get more colors, like not the same type of dress, but like more like different colors. So yeah, 10 out of 10. So this is how the top is looking. It's like a little bodysuit with like a high V-cut. Girl, this is how it's looking. Okay, this is how this one is looking, you know. Child. And it's like a velvety touch to it. It's a good material, except that it has like a little, I don't know, like, I don't know if you guys could see that, but it has like a little white stuff on it, like dust, I don't know. But anyways, it's cute, and I like the velvety feel of it. It reminds me like around like winter time. You could definitely pop out with this, like around like winter time, like Christmas, you know, when it's cold out, you know, put a little jacket on because you're gonna be cold. But yeah, this is really cute. Yeah, this is how the top is looking. Let me show you guys the bottom. The bottom is the same. It's just, you know, it's just a bottom. Like I said, it's a little small. I don't know what I was thinking, you know. But this is how the bottom is looking like. I mean, it kind of reached down kind of like to my ankles, but not all the way. It has like a little, like the kind of like white stripes like right here, and I really like the velvety touch of it. The only thing I feel like it's missing is a pocket. If it had a pocket, it would have been a steal. But these are really popular on these Instagram streets. So, you know, you could be a little baddie with these on, you know, be a little baddie on a budget. So yeah, I'll go ahead and return these and get these in a medium. So the next outfit that I have is actually those pants, like those stack pants, and I'm in love with stack pants. Like these styles, I mean, like any stack pants that I could get my hands on, I need that, regardless if it's like leather or like leggings, like material. I don't care. Like I'm just in love with the stack, the whole trend right now. I'm really in love with that. So this is how this one is looking like. It's like very much stacked, y'all. This is really cute, really cute. Like, and it has pockets too. I mean, I wouldn't say they are see-through. They kind of see-through, but they're not at the same time. Like, it's like in between. I don't know if they're see-through or not, but yeah, these are definitely really cute. Definitely really stretchy. And yeah, I mainly got them because of the stack, like the stack, because they are stack pants. Because I'm like, I love that whole trend. But I got these in a small. Right, I think I got these in a small. Anyways, I'll link it down below. But the fitting is really great, and it's really stretchy. So yeah, I told you guys this was a mini haul. I didn't pick out too many items because I just wanted to test out qualities and make sure that I was going to like the products. So this is the last item, and I definitely leave the best, the best, like my favorite for last, because I feel like this is so cute and you need this. You need this. Okay, this is such a cute top. Like these tops are very popular in these Instagram streets. But anyways, let me just go ahead and show it to you guys. Let me button this first, because child. So this is how this one looks like. This is like a corset top, and unlike the usual one that you guys usually see, this one kind of have like a lace material like in the back. You guys, this top snatch everything up. So you definitely need this top. Like this top is really cute. I already know I'm gonna be wearing this soon. I already have an outfit in my head that I'm gonna be wearing with this top, and I'm in love. I'm so in love with the off the shoulder. Like I had this in black, and I bought the black one from Pretty Little Thing. And the Pretty Little Thing one do not even compare to the Aliexpress one, because the Aliexpress one is very well constructed. The material is better. This is better. Like mine, like the off the shoulder part, and the one that I got from Pretty Little Thing, it's kind of like hanging off the thread, so it's not well sewed on. But Aliexpress hooked your girl up. So definitely will buy more from Aliexpress. Like this is so cute. So this was, this was my little mini haul. Just wanted to show you guys, just wanted to show off to you guys what I got from Aliexpress, just in case anybody wanted to shop with Aliexpress and they wanted to know about the delivery time and quality wise. I would say in total I will give this whole thing a 9 out of 10, because one of my item didn't actually fit me. But otherwise I'll give it a solid 9 out of 10, especially for quality wise. Delivery, not all that, but definitely I would definitely shop on Aliexpress, not as often, but if I know I need something, for a few months ahead, I would definitely go ahead and shop with Aliexpress. Do not forget, you guys, do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you did enjoy this video. Make sure to give this a big thumbs up, and also comment down below which outfit, which pieces was your favorite. You guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.